As we mentioned, you're releasing your album, The Sweetest Part, this week. Very exciting. What's release week like for you? Is it exciting or is it nerve-wracking still?
Oh, it's grand, yeah. Just coffee
So
exists.
relaxed.
Coffee is there, so it's fine. Everything's great. I'm buzzing to get it out, like, especially after 2 years of kind of sitting at home and trying to figure out ways to promote yourself at home.
Yeah.
So I'm buzzing to kind of get kind of started. So.
Yeah,
because we spoke to people who are like a bag of nerves. It's like they're about to give birth to a child when they're releasing an album.
See, once it's out, you can't do anything about it. Like, you can't mix it again, you can't change any of the lyrics, you can't do anything about it. So once it's out, there's like a lovely feeling of like, it's done.
And then people get to enjoy it themselves and reinterpret it, and it must be that must be a nice feeling as well.
It's lovely, yeah. And then I eventually will change them. I did change it once. There was one song on my first record that I changed the lyrics of last minute, and I did like a live album and I released it, and some girl got the lyrics tattooed on her, and I changed the lyrics to the song, which is terrible. But it's quite fun. No, I didn't mean to. It wasn't intentional. There's no bad intentions. It's just the lyric was crap.
She just has a really unique tattoo now.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know. Yeah.
So she's got this rejected lyric tattoo.
No, alternative version.
They're just trying to be nice.
Or some would say the original.
It's the original.
Yeah, that's it. You see,
it's even cooler now.
That's even cooler. Yeah. Gavin, you spent the last 10 years travelling around the world, performing and appearing on all kinds of TV shows. Yeah. So you've had great success in America, and this was after you appeared on The Late Late Show, James Corden's Late Late Show. Oh, yeah. But this all happened before, because he refused to meet up with you one Halloween night. Is this true?
So I'd met him because I did it once before. After I was on tour with the Codaline Boys, and I think they showed him my Live at Whelan's album, and he was listening to it while they were there, and they were like, and then he got me on the show the week afterwards, and we're chatting, saying we go for pints. Like, because I'm coming over in October for Halloween, like, go for pints. And then texted me, he's like, no, I'm hanging out with the family. And I said I was dressed up as a gingerbread man, which is very easy to do. Yeah. If you were a ginger, just put some bread on you. It's like simple, like hang bagels on my neck and everything. Everybody else looked like real cool in Los Angeles, like in Hollywood, and I just looked like an idiot. But yeah, but it was gas. But yeah, he texted me back. He was like, do you want to come on the show instead? And I was like, I better go to bed. Yeah. So it was great.
I would have loved to seen you as a piece of toast.
Simple. If you ever
bread basket.
It's so effective.
It's very effective.
And you always have bread in your house.
Yeah. You need a sign that says gingerbread man, so people.
Yeah, but also please don't pick the bread off me, otherwise I will be naked, gingerbread man.
It's not so good if it's 3 in the morning. You're hungry, like.
Oh, that's what I was going to say. There you go. You don't even need takeaway or anything.
Exactly. Yeah.
We're obviously obsessed with you here in Ireland. We have a massive fan base in Brazil. Is that correct? How did that come about? How did the music translate all the way over there?
I did it Telenovela, because telenovelas are like the Fair City kind of buzz of Brazil, but like 200 million people or something watch it. Something mad. It's probably a completely wrong number. I've no idea what the number is at all. Yeah. But everybody watches it, supposedly. And I was so unaware of how many people watch this stuff. And the way they use music in it is, like, if there's a scene where a couple are in love with each other, they kind of use the same song. Yeah. Every time. So my song Nervous was on one of them. And every time, like, she'd look over, like really gazingly, lovingly in somebody's eyes, it would just be me going like, ooh, every time. Every time. It was gas. So we didn't notice. And then I went home, flew home on the plane, and the song went, like, #1, like, on the Shazam things and all. We had to fly directly back to go do everything else. And then I had to act on it, which was terrifying. So I was originally meant to speak in Portuguese, and I just could not get it. I was doing, like, North Dublin Portuguese accent. It's like, to the bay, obrigado. I was like, so they were just like, just say it like this in English. It's fine.
Yeah, like that.
It's a beautiful country. It's great over there. Wow. It's an amazing place.
From Cabra to the Copa.
There you go.
Yeah.